Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm actually going to be doing like a experimenting with makeup, just sitting down, having fun, chatting with you guys type of video. Trying to get back to why I love makeup and everything because I've been stuck in a makeup rut, I feel like lately. I just do kind of my everyday look and don't really do anything else. So I hope you like this tutorial slash video, having fun, chit chat, get ready with me. And I guess let's get started. So I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I haven't used this concealer in ages, so I was like, let me pull this out. I've been getting stuck in a rut, like I said, using the same old products, and I need to use different ones. Not that this is very different, because I feel like everybody in their family and mother and everybody uses this concealer. Luna has been nuts this morning. She was whining at me all morning, and I was like, what is going on? Because usually, not gonna lie, after Caleb leaves, I go back to sleep for a little bit because, hello, I work from home. So, but honestly, I got up this morning at 7, and Luna was whining at me like nutso. So I thought she just wanted to go back in bed and sleep, but turns out she had to go poop. She had to go so bad, and I was like, okay, I went through all the scenarios. I fed her, I did everything, and then we went outside, and she pooped like right away, and then she came inside and was a nutso dog. I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. I Snapchatted it to some of my friends. She was crazy. And yes, I said Snapchat. I Snapchat to like friends and family and stuff, but I don't Snapchat anymore for like makeup purposes. I just feel like Instagram's so much easier. You're already on that platform, so I use Instagram stories. So follow me. It's right here. Okay, so I know I said I was going to try and use nude products, but like guys, I'm dipping into the Jaclyn palette. Like literally this is my favorite palette. I need to get rid of some of my palettes. Honestly, I don't use them. I need to give them to friends and family and stuff. And I always go back to this palette because it has everything. If you have a new palette that you've been loving, please let me know down below in the comments because I'm looking for something new. I'm going to take the M501 and dabble into some of these colors right here. Did I say M501? M504. Did I say that right? So I'm just going to put this in the crease. Okay, so I'm going to try not to do my classic, like, brown smoky eye. Okay? But we might end up there. And I'm sorry if we do. So, Caleb and I are getting ready to move. I feel like I just literally, that's all I talk about right now. But I'm sorry. We are getting ready to move. I can't help it. And so, Caleb's mom is like an angel and is actually coming to help us. She's going to be here on Sunday, I think. She's going to drive to Pennsylvania. She's so nice. She's going to come help us pack. I'm so happy. So this week, today's Tuesday. You guys are seeing this on Friday, I believe. I am trying to film a ton of videos so that when she's here, we can like pack, hang out. You know, I can just like kind of spend time. And then also it's kind of awkward when I film in front of other people. I'm so used to just being home alone that like someone else is here when I'm filming. I'm like, so I want to film all my videos before she gets here. Okay, and then I'm going to take the Sigma E38 brush. It's like this more detailed blending brush. They sent me some product recently, and I really, really like it. I might be in a Sigma affiliate by the time this video goes up. So if I am, I'll link it down below. I'm going to go into this brown. This is more of a neutrally brown. I'm going to probably, I don't know. I feel like I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably just going to do this in the crease. And leave the upper area a little bit more simple. Just kind of do these browns. Maybe put like a creamy white on the lid and then go for a pop of color in the lower lash line. I don't know, something like that. This eye always blends so much better and like looks so much better than this eye. Do you guys ever have that problem? Like your one eye looks so much better than the other? Oh my gosh. I'm so sad. I was on Amazon today because, hello, it's Christmas in July. It's Amazon Prime Day. So I was just browsing to see if there's anything I need or want. So anything that I wanted from the sale. And I saw that they had Clarisonic brushes, a 2-pack for like $25. Usually one brush is like around there, 25 bucks. So I was like, hell yeah, I'm going to get Clarisonic brushes again. I'm going to start using that again because I've been kind of going off and on of using it just because, like, literally I'm too lazy to get a new brush. And I'm like, I don't want to spend the money on a new brush, even though I spend money on other things. And I should just put the money towards the brush because I'm not going to stop using it all together. Like, Caleb got that for me, and I really wanted it, so I'm going to keep using it. Anyway, and I do really like it. I'm going to put some Tarte Shape Tape down here so that I can do the lower lash line. I've never done this before, but I'm going to do my lower lash line before I do foundation. Crazy, I know. So I was like, okay, I'm going to go buy this Clarisonic brush pack. But then I was like just looking at other things, seeing if I wanted to get any leggings, because, you know, I'm always looking for like a cheap pair of good leggings. So like I used to use 90 Degree. I like them okay, but they don't hold up very well. I mean, they're $20 leggings, so, but they don't hold up very well, and they become see-through and all that jazz. So I was like, okay, like, let's try and find another pair. And I have been researching whatever. So then I was looking at Queenie Key, I think is what it's called, and Tesla leggings. And I was about to order those, and then I went back to the Clarisonic Duo, and it was sold out. And this was at like 7:30 in the morning. So I think it probably just went live this morning, and then everybody was like, hell yeah, and got it all. Okay, so I'm going to use that same Sigma brush on the lower lash line. Basically use those brown shades. Do you guys get stuck in makeup ruts? Because I feel like I do. I just use the same things, and then I feel bad because, like, I'm on YouTube, and I feel like I should be challenging myself and posting more, like, fun looks and stuff, which I know you guys mostly like to see neutral looks, so that's why I try and do a lot of those. But after a while I just kind of get stuck in the same rut of a neutral look, but I like the things that I like. And then also, like I said, I literally have not been wearing eyeshadow. Just hasn't been my jam. We're gonna go into, ooh, should I do this green color? Okay, what I'm gonna do is go into this beautiful glittery green color. I love this shade in the palette. And then I'm gonna take the M432. Like this flat. Luna, come here. Hi, baby. You want to say hi to the people? Oh, there's Looney girl. Looney girl, she's a big girl now. She's 26 pounds. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take this green shade under here. Ooh. I'm going to like this. Then I'm going to take this turquoisey color and put this in the center. Is this going to work? I hope so. You know what? I'm just going to put this all over on top because I just put this color down and it looks stunning. I'm just going to go kind of like blend everything together. I'm going to put this gold shade here on the lid. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, that's going to look beautiful. Okay, I'm going to spray my brush with a little setting spray. Use whatever you want. I'm loving it. McDonald's hit me up. This is stunning. It's stunning. Oh my gosh, you guys. I've been watching so much Samantha Ravindal, I think her last name is. I love her. First off, she's just so relatable, real, awesome. And then also, she is just hilarious. Like, literally so funny. If you haven't checked her out, I don't know why you wouldn't have, because she's awesome, but like literally go check her out. I'm gonna put mascara on right now. I'm using the Lash Princess by Essence. This is their False Lash Effect mascara. Really like this, and I just saw it in my drawer and I was like, holy crap, I haven't used that in 10 years. Like I said, I'm gonna be using the Infallible Long Wear Shaping Stick from L'Oreal. I totally forgot to put on primer, which if you've watched my review, I need to put on primer with this. I'm going to use Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot. Thank gosh I didn't put it in my T-zone. For foundation, to blend it out, I'm going to use a Sigma Flat Top Kabuki brush. This is their F80. And I know people have talked about this for years and years and years, but like I said, they sent me things and they sent me some of their best sellers. This is obviously one of them. And why didn't I order this sooner? I mean, I guess I didn't order it. Why didn't I order this at all? I've thought about ordering from Sigma for years, and I just never did it. I don't know why, but it's literally amazing. I've been using it nonstop. I haven't used any other foundation brush since I got it. Okay, going back in with Shape Tape, just going to put a little bit more underneath the eyes, on the nose. you know, the usual places. See, this is why I don't love doing my foundation after my eyes. I just feel like it's so hard for me to do concealer and everything. Even if I just do like the upper lash line. I do like that I don't get fallout and it looks a little bit cleaner, but it's a little hard for me. Let's use some powder. And yes, I am still using the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. I've been loving it, especially with just like setting only my under eyes for certain foundations and things, but today I'm gonna set probably the whole face. So I like to set this area with the sponge, and then everywhere else I'll set with a light hand and use a brush. Okay, I lied. I'm not gonna set the whole face with this powder. I'm actually gonna use the Maybelline Better Skin Powder in the shade Warm Nude 30. So I'm going to take this one from Wet n Wild, same collection as the other stuff, and set the whole face. Now I'm going to use a bronzer with this brush from EcoTools. This is a Neutrogena bronzer. Like I always do, by the way, everything will be linked down below in the description box. If you're not sure where the description box is, it's basically like the text underneath the video. If you're on your phone, it might not show up right away. You might have to like press one of those little arrow icon things. But if you're on your computer, you'll be able to see it. Wow, I forgot how much I like this bronzer. What other videos do you guys want to see? Like seriously, I need to figure more ideas out because like I said, I'm pre-filming, so let me know different ideas. I know you guys want to see a video with Caleb. Trust me, it's coming. I'm going to try and get him to film one this weekend with me. But not going to lie, he wants to be a little bit intoxicated when he does it because he's nervous, I think. And I think it would be funny and he would have fun. Okay, here's another Sigma product that they sent me that I want to use. This is a blush. Ooh, it's still pretty. This is the shade Rosa. I hope this goes with this look. It's pretty. I don't know if it really goes with this look that well. I'm going to add a little bit more orange. And I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Peach Primrose blush. I love this shade so much. You just need a little bit. It really brightens up those cheeks. I'm going to use this Collab Beauty highlighter in the shade Uncensored. Look at this. When I have been using a powder highlight, this is what I use. Like, so beautiful. I can't get over it. It's so pretty. For lips today, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal ColorRiche lipstick in the shade 802 Mattsterpiece. This is my absolute favorite lipstick at the moment. I wear it almost every day. It's amazing. Oh, it's such a pretty nude. I feel like I should kind of make my hair look a little bit prettier. Alright you guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed sitting down with me. I guess it wasn't really a tutorial, kind of was, but I hope you enjoyed sitting down with me, doing some makeup, just playing with makeup, getting me back into, I don't know, enjoying experimenting with makeup and doing different things. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye!